Hey everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will cover our first topic, which is about unlocking the power of online success. We'll be diving into the world of digital marketing and exploring how it can revolutionize your business or personal brand. If you're new here, consider subscribing so you won't miss any of our future videos. Now, let's get started with our first lesson, Introduction to Digital Marketing. Digital marketing refers to the use of digital channels and technologies to promote products, services, or brands to a targeted audience. With the increasing reliance on the internet and digital devices in our daily lives, digital marketing has become an essential strategy for businesses to reach and engage with their customers effectively. This form of marketing encompasses a wide range of online tactics and methods that leverage various platforms and tools to create compelling campaigns and measure their success. Now let's take a look at the key components of digital marketing. A website. A well-designed and user-friendly website serves as the foundation of digital marketing efforts. It is the primary online presence where businesses showcase their products or services and provide valuable information to potential customers. Search engine optimization, SEO, involves optimizing a website's content and structure to rank higher in search engine results pages. By improving their visibility on search engines like Google, businesses can attract organic traffic and increase their chances of being discovered by potential customers. Content marketing. It revolves around creating valuable, relevant, and informative content to engage and attract a target audience. This content can take various forms, such as blog posts, articles, videos, infographics, and more. Social media marketing. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and others offer businesses the opportunity to connect with their audience. Social media helps in building brand awareness, building a loyal customer base, and drive engagement, and also serve as a customer service tool. Each social media platform has its unique strengths, and businesses choose the ones that align best with their target audience. Email marketing. Email remains one of the most effective digital marketing channels for building and nurturing customer relationships. Businesses can use email campaigns to send personalized messages, promotions, updates, and valuable content directly to their subscribers' inboxes. Pay-per-click advertising, PPC. PPC advertising is one of the fastest ways to reach their target audience that allow businesses to place ads on search engines or other platforms. This form of advertising can quickly drive traffic to a website and is highly trackable, allowing for precise targeting and budget control. Influencer marketing. Influencer marketing involves partnering with influential individuals or content creators in a specific niche to promote products or services. It leverages the influencer's existing audience to increase businesses' brand visibility and credibility. Analytics and data tracking. A crucial aspect of digital marketing is the ability to track and analyze various metrics to understand the performance of campaigns. This data-driven approach helps businesses make informed decisions and optimize their marketing strategies for better results. Now, let's look at the 5 advantages of digital marketing. The first advantage of digital marketing is global reach. Digital marketing enables businesses to reach a global audience, breaking down geographical barriers and expanding market reach. The second advantage is its cost effectiveness. Compared to traditional marketing methods, digital marketing often offers more cost-effective solutions, especially for smaller businesses and startups. The third advantage is targeted advertising. Digital marketing allows precise targeting of specific demographics, interests, and behaviors, ensuring that marketing efforts reach the right audience. The fourth advantage is real-time engagement. With digital marketing, businesses can engage with their customers in real time, fostering stronger relationships and addressing concerns promptly. The fifth advantage is measurable results. Digital marketing provides detailed insights and analytics, allowing businesses to measure the effectiveness of their campaigns and make data-driven improvements. In conclusion, digital marketing has become an indispensable part of any comprehensive marketing strategy in today's digital age. Its flexibility, cost-effectiveness, and ability to connect businesses with their target audience make it a powerful tool for promoting products, building brand awareness, and driving business growth. That's all, folks, for today's lesson. Please let us know your feedback for this lesson in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notifications bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our updates. See you soon. Thank you.